The Infinite Adventures of the Intergalactic Time-Traveling Space Explorers. Chapter 1. The beginning. In a galaxy far away, there existed a team of intergalactic time-traveling space explorers. The team consisted of a diverse group of species, including humans, extraterrestrials, and robots. Their mission was to explore the vast universe and discover new planets and civilizations. One day, the team received a distress signal from a nearby planet. The planet was known for its rocky terrain, harsh weather conditions, and unstable environment. The team quickly sprang into action and traveled to the planet to investigate the signal. Upon landing, the team was immediately thrown into chaos. The storm that had caused the distress signal was quickly approaching, and the team had to act quickly to find shelter. They managed to locate a cave that provided temporary relief from the storm. As they sat in the cave, waiting for the storm to pass, they learned that the distress signal had come from a group of scientists who had been studying the planet. The group had been hit by the storm and had lost communication with their base. The team knew that they had to help the scientists, so they set out to find their base camp. After a treacherous journey, the team finally reached the base camp. The scientists were elated to see the team and informed them that they had made an incredible discovery. They had stumbled upon a portal that could take them back in time. Chapter 2. The Time Machine. The team was skeptical at first, but their curiosity got the better of them. They agreed to accompany the scientists back to the portal to investigate further. Upon arriving, they discovered that the portal was not just any ordinary portal. It was a time machine that could take them to any point in the past or future. The scientists had been studying the time machine for years, trying to understand its workings. They had discovered that the machine was powered by a rare mineral found only on this planet. The mineral had the ability to manipulate time and space, allowing the machine to function. The team was fascinated by the time machine and decided to test it out. They selected a date at random and stepped into the machine. As they traveled through time, they could feel the machine twisting and turning, bending the fabric of space and time. It was a wild and dizzying experience. Finally, they arrived at their destination, and the team was in awe. They had traveled back in time to a prehistoric era. Dinosaurs roamed the earth, and there was an abundance of plant life. The team explored the prehistoric world, studying the creatures that had once inhabited it. Chapter 3. The Paradox. As the team explored the past, they became aware of the dangers of altering the timeline. They knew that any changes they made could have a significant impact on the future. They had to be careful not to disrupt the natural flow of time. One day, while exploring a remote part of the prehistoric world, the team stumbled upon a bizarre rock formation. Upon closer inspection, they discovered that the rock formation was not natural but had been created by intelligent beings. The team was astounded. They had stumbled upon evidence of life on this planet before humans had even existed. They knew that this discovery could change the course of history forever. The team decided to take a closer look at the rock formation but quickly realized that they had made a mistake. As they approached the formation, they were thrown into a vortex that sent them spiraling through time. Chapter 4. The Future. The team was transported to a time far in the future, to a world that was vastly different from the one they knew. The planet was now a barren wasteland, and the few remaining lifeforms struggled to survive. The team knew that they had to find a way back to their own time. They also knew that they had to be careful not to disrupt the timeline any further. They had already seen the damage that could be caused by a paradox. The team searched for a way to return to their own time, but as they did, they noticed something strange. They noticed that the time machine was beginning to malfunction. It had been damaged during their journey through time and was now malfunctioning. Chapter 5. The end. The team had no choice but to try and repair the time machine. They scoured the barren wasteland for parts, using all of their skills and knowledge to fix the machine. After many long and grueling hours, they finally managed to restore the time machine to full working order. The team hurled through space and time, determined to return to their own timeline. They arrived back at the portal, relieved to have made it back in one piece. They knew that they had experienced something truly extraordinary, something that transcended the boundaries of time and space. As they stepped out of the time machine and into the bright light of the sun, the team felt a sense of satisfaction. They had achieved their mission, explored the universe in ways that the human mind could not comprehend. The infinite adventures of the intergalactic time-traveling space explorers were far from over.